Hey there, you're in a rush to make a payment or transfer funds. You need it done quickly, like right now. Ally Bank promises fast transfers, but is it really as fast as they say? Hook, have you ever wondered, how fast is Ally Transfer? Today, we're going to find out. Context. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates. But speed is also a crucial factor when choosing a bank. If you need to transfer money quickly, Ally's transfer speed can make a significant difference. The Ally Transfer Speed Test. For this experiment, we'll be testing Ally's transfer speed from an external bank to an Ally account. We'll be using a popular traditional bank for comparison. Step 1. Initiating the transfer. We'll start by initiating a transfer from our external bank to our Ally account. We'll time how long it takes for the transfer request to be processed and the funds to become available in our Ally account. Step 2. Tracking the transfer. We'll keep a close eye on our Ally account and the external bank's online banking portal to monitor the transfer's progress. We'll note any updates or notifications received during the process. Step 3. Measuring the time. Once the funds are successfully transferred to our Ally account, we'll record the total time elapsed from initiating the transfer to the funds becoming available. This will give us a clear indication of Ally's transfer speed. Factors affecting transfer speed. While Ally claims to offer fast transfers, several factors can influence the actual speed. Transfer type, the type of transfer, ACH, wire transfer, etc., can affect the processing time. Bank business hours, transfers initiated outside of banking hours may take longer to process. Weekend or holiday transfers, transfers initiated on weekends or holidays might experience delays. System issues, technical difficulties, or system maintenance can temporarily impact transfer speeds. Ally's transfer speed compared. Now, let's compare Ally's transfer speed to our traditional bank. We'll analyze the data collected from our experiment and discuss the differences in processing times. Ally's transfer speed, pros and cons. Pros. Fast processing times for ACH transfers. Convenient online and mobile banking. No minimum balance requirements. Cons. Potential delays for wire transfers or transfers initiated outside of banking hours. Limited physical branches. Conclusion. Based on our experiment and analysis, Ally Bank generally offers fast transfer speeds, especially for ACH transfers. However, factors like transfer type, bank business hours, and system issues can influence the actual processing time. If you prioritize speed and convenience in your banking needs, Ally Bank can be a good option. However, it's essential to consider your specific requirements and compare Ally's transfer speeds to other banks before making a decision. Call to action. Have you had experience with Ally's transfer speeds? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you're considering switching to Ally or opening a new account, don't forget to use our referral link to get a bonus. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.